Welcome to the Daily Dividends channel. So this channel was created to follow my unusually large dividend portfolio, and I started it in August of 2021, and the portfolio itself, I think the earliest investment is from the 2nd of February of 2021. So there's currently close to €6,000 invested, and this huge red return is because I have positions in AMC and GameStop, just to clarify in the beginning. So the reason that I have so many investments is that I want to see what happens if I get small dividend payments very frequently, as opposed to the traditional maybe a couple of times a week or a few times a month or maybe every quarter. If all goes according to plan over the years, I will never sell any position regardless of how high or low it goes. The only criteria to sell any of these stocks is if they either never pay a dividend or if their dividend history shows that they pay them very sporadically or once every couple of years. But I'm also, in order to mitigate some of the risk of not managing any of these companies actively, is that I'm capping each position at €100. Now this does not apply to my monthly paying stocks because, as some of you may know, it will take a bit more money to get dividend payers or monthly dividend payers to pay a higher amount. So the current goal is to get all of the monthly payers to pay €1 per dividend payment, and after that to get every company to pay €1 per dividend payment, which seems to be around, for a quarterly paying stock, a stock that pays 4 times a year, about €1 invested will pay 1 cent per dividend payment. So I'm aiming for about €100. And if I have a position of €100 and it drops 30 or 40%, I may increase it slightly just to scoop up the discount. But ideally, never sell any position regardless of how high or low it goes. On a daily basis, as long as time allows, I'll be putting up an upload of what companies paid what dividends, how much they paid per share, what country they're based in, but also the top 15 positions in my portfolio, as well as the bottom 15. And usually as I'm investing any money, I'm currently focusing on the monthly payers, but if I say had €50 that I wanted to invest, I might put $5 into this one because it's very bottom, $5 into this one, $5 into this one, and basically buy as many dips as possible. But if you're completely new to the concept of dividend investing, I'm putting up less frequent, basic stock market and dividend investing videos, but also 5-minute breakdowns on each of the companies that I hold. So if you're interested in the daily updates of how a portfolio this size performs, or if you're new to investing and you want videos on stock market basics, they will be less frequent. They won't be on a daily basis. There'll also be 5-minute breakdowns of each company, which also won't be on a daily basis, unfortunately, because I don't really have the time. But if any of that interests you, or if you have any questions or queries or criticisms or anything, feel free to let me know. And I hope that you find this channel useful.